I want to introduce to you guys our latest LHC product, Laced Hair Care Extension Safe Mineral Sunscreen. I know that's a mouthful, but it is very important. I have been wearing extensions for a very long time, and I've had laced hair for 14 years. And every time about March hits, our inbox starts getting full of women saying, oh my gosh, I went on vacation and my extensions turned a weird peach color, a weird pink color. So when we found out that it was sunscreen, crazy ingredients like avobenzene and octoprilene, they cause a chemical reaction and make your extensions turn a color. We set out to create a sunscreen that is mineral based, meaning that it will not cause discoloration for your hair extensions. This actually is for your skin. This sunscreen is SPF 30 and it protects your skin while keeping your extensions safe as well. So some of the key ingredients include zinc oxide, argan oil, and squalene, which are incredible for your skin. This is FDA approved and dermatologist tested as well. They are extension safe, there's no synthetic fragrance, avobenzone free, octoprilene free, paraben free, reef safe, which is super important to me, and vegan. I want to show you our beautiful sunscreen. The color we chose for this, I actually matched to my son's beautiful brown skin. He tans really well, and I wanted it to be like a suntan in a bottle. But I want to show you how it goes on. You can see it goes on white, and I have bought several mineral sunscreens that when they rub in, it looks like that, and you can't go any further, and it also has like a weird texture to it. This one is really smooth. That's the argan oil, as well as the squalene in there, the shea butter, that you can feel it really moisturizing instead of being a weird, almost sticky texture. Ours is really smooth and it blends in with your skin so beautifully. This sunscreen is a must-have for all stylists and all extension wearers because finally you can wear your hair down at the beach, at the pool, and not have to worry about discoloration.